Welcome to the future of automotive maintenance and repair, where Bosch keeps your vehicles moving with unmatched precision and efficiency. What sets Bosch apart? Well, for starters, Bosch technology can be found in practically every vehicle throughout the world. The unwavering commitment to quality within a robust portfolio offers everything you need to keep vehicles on the road and performing at their best. From cutting-edge diagnostic tools with OEM-licensed software to the latest ADAS calibration technology and OE quality replacement parts, Bosch delivers excellence at every step of the repair and maintenance process. As a trusted brand in AC service, Robinair sets the industry standard with unmatched efficiency, more accurate service, and maximum refrigerant recovery. OTC's time-saving specialty tools and tech-trusted equipment are built to last, empowering technicians to work smarter, not harder. With the unparalleled performance, quality, and efficiency of the Bosch Automotive family of brands, Bosch, Robinair, and OTC empowers your shop to keep vehicles moving. Your shop depends on high standards and quality service. Bosch is committed to delivering excellence because your reputation depends on it.